Despite announcing that Guyana was exploring various COVID-19 vaccine suppliers, namely Argentina, India, Russia, and China back in September, Subject Minister Dr. Frank Anthony on Tuesday revealed that the Covax facility has become the primary source of securing the vaccines.
For us, we continue to work with Covax while we explore with other partners to see whether or not we can access vaccines so that we can have more in country. But our main focus is really Covax.
This is against the backdrop of reports that rich countries are hoarding doses of COVID vaccines and people living in poorer countries are set to miss out, the People's Vaccine Alliance warned in December 2020. Nonetheless, Covax has pledged to ensure equitable access to COVID-19 vaccines to third world countries. Notwithstanding that, other organizations and independent bodies such as the Caribbean Community CARICOM have indicated that vaccines can be sourced through them. The minister noted that Covax has indicated that it will provide a significant amount of vaccines later this year.
We've had some good news from Covax, and during this week there's an executive board meeting of the WHO, which we're participating in, and we have received some good news through that mechanism. So Covax has reported that they now have put deals in place to acquire 2 billion doses of vaccines, and that they're working to get these vaccines out by the second quarter of this year.
He explained that rolling out the vaccines would depend on approval for them from the World Health Organization.
We know of countries that have been doing bilateral deals outside of Covax, and that is because for this year, Covax would only be able to give the countries who are participating in that facility 20% of the vaccine that they require for their population, or vaccines to cover 20% of their population. So that is not going to be enough for a country to achieve herd immunity, and therefore a number of countries are looking at other options of how to get additional vaccines so that they can have more people immunized.
Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.